Come on, Bob. Shut her up, quick. We should go start. Hold the fucking egg. It's hard, Bob. Hold on, yeah.
Next you'll want to use the bathroom.
Skip.
Use those sandpapery toilet scrolls on
Go.
Go?
Yeah.
Pull over.
You got fucking hold up. Hold up. You don't got it. Oh, no, I got it. Wait, how many is that? No.
Yeah, done.
No.
I got done.
Alright,
God dang it. Okay, no.
Anybody have some seasoning? Okay. Hold on, I go. You go. And you go. I can go.
Come on, look at her.
No one can even go.
There is no booze. Saudi Arabia.
Motherfucker, go.
Oh, you go? You go?
Go. You go. You go. Woo. Yo.
Go. I'll find us a satellite so we can watch Lost when I get home. Just because we're stuck in this wasteland doesn't mean it's not Wednesday.
That's not small.
Not in the kitchen either.
You're so loud. Shut up. I'll go small.
Stan, I'm not staying inside all day. I'm taking the kids.
Let me go.
Oh,
Okay, go. You gotta go small, girl.
Fine. We'll do it your way. Again.
You can't?
Oh my God, I am free.
Okay, go. No. You said you can't. Go. Get.
Yes.
Let me go.
The CIA told us you'd be done.
What the fuck?
Can you beat that? Terrified.
This is Ali.
You can't. Okay, I guess I'll go with this. The hell was that?
I'm fine.
I got this. I got this.
Why'd you go help her?
Dude, you're recording.
Why'd you go help her?
I want to be famous. Shut the fuck up.